Realme today announced the new Realme 16T 5G in India. The highlight of the phone is its massive 8000 mAh battery, with support for 45W wired charging. It will also support all-scenario bypass charging. The Realme 16T will be available in Aurora Green, Starlight Red, and Starlight Black colors. The Realme 16T 5G is shown to sport a flat rear panel, featuring a square-shaped rear camera module. A dual rear camera system, along with an LED flash and a selfie mirror, appears inside the camera island on the back. That it comes with a 50MP f/1.8 main camera using Sony's IMX852 sensor, 2MP secondary sensor. There is also a 16MP front camera. The 6.8-inch screen has 144Hz refresh rate and 1200 nit peak brightness. The phone is IP69 rated for dust and water resistance. The handset will reportedly be powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, shipped with at least 8GB of RAM and Android 16, along with a Mali G57MC2 GPU. The phone runs Android 16 with Realme UI 7.0 out of the box. The Realme 16T 5G retails for 29,999 rupees for the sole 6GB plus 128GB variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.